Alright, so I just want to make this quick video. So as most of you probably already know, the newest unlock chip that we usually use to unlock an iPhone is currently not working right now as of April 2nd. So I just decided to make this quick video just to give you guys, the solution for now until hopefully later on down the road, the problem with the new unlock chips is solved. So what is happening right now is that, with these new unlock chips that came out, you were able to insert it in the phone, put in the ICCID. It would bypass the activation screen and unlock the phone so that you can use it with any carrier. And then you were able to remove this unlock chip and completely take it out of the phone. And then you would be able to just take your phone around like an unlocked phone and insert any SIM card that you wanted into your phone and it would work just fine. Well, that as of yesterday isn't working anymore. Now what happens is if you remove this unlock chip from in there, the phone will lock up again when you try and insert the SIM card that you want to use. So for now, what you will have to do if you want to unlock your iPhone is the method still works, but you're gonna have to use the previous unlock chip, which is the really thin one that you have to place your SIM card on top of it and place them both into the phone at the same time, leaving them in there, and that will still work and unlock your phone so that you can use it with that SIM card. But the only downside now is that we can't remove the unlock chip anymore. We have to actually leave it in there with the SIM card that you want to use. And the other important thing that you need to make sure of is that your iOS is updated to the latest one, which is 12.2 at the moment. So a little bit of bad news there that the newest unlock chips aren't working at the moment, but a little bit of good news that we still have a solution for it. We can still unlock it with the previous thin unlock chip, and it will still work with every model iPhone with the correct ICCID. All right, everyone. So that's it. That was just a quick update, for everyone who wants to unlock their iPhone. So hope this was valuable for you. If it was, go ahead and give it a like. And that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. And as always, peace. Ciao.